I'm going to give the PNP, so I'm saying both sides would have their base up and running, but the PNP are clear winners in the debate tonight.
All right. I've got to go, and I clearly was watching a different debate as well, Dr. McAlpin, from all of the other guests. I didn't like Julian Robinson because it was quite unnatural, the posture that he came with. He was aggressive, it was loud. He's somebody who I didn't recognize in this debate tonight. The best debater for me was Dr. Dana Dixon. I think Tufton did well, but he got a little bit in the tatters and so forth. I also think that whole thing with him and Peter Bunting, perhaps they should have taken it outside. I'm not sure what Keisha Anderson's purpose was actually about. And Favour Williams is what Favour Williams is. She's soft-spoken, but she is solid. I think the JLP won this particular debate this evening. So we're up on a break.
So it's a draw from the observers.